Fiverr is very different from other freelancing platform. It is a platform where you upload your gigs and people approach to you. Doesn't matter if you're new to Fiverr or you're already using it. In this video, we'll be discussing about how Fiverr works and how you can earn money through Fiverr doing it very smartly, even if you have no skills. We have been in freelancing space for the last 3 years, and based on our experience and the feedback that we get from our clients, this is how Fiverr works. Hello everyone, my name is Faiz and I'm the founder of Inshaan Corporation. And you are watching how Fiverr works and how you can earn money with little to no skills. First of all, let me make this very clear that you absolutely need skill to survive, and I think you should start working on it. Basically, in your career, your skill will take you to places. In this stage, you have enough demand and resources to fulfill your skill requirement, but if you are looking to make a few bucks online, then this video is for you. First of all, let's talk about what is Fiverr.
Fiverr is basically a freelancing marketplace. Now we have discussed this in great detail in our previous video where we were discussing the top marketplace or the largest marketplace for freelancing. There we have discussed about the platform Fiverr. Let me give you a quick guide about how you can log in and have access to this platform. Let me just sign in. So I already have an account and I signed in. You can sign in as well. Now the process is very simple. It's not that difficult. You can simply sign in. Now things to make sure while you're uploading a gig. Let's take this as an example. So you can see that in this the thumbnail is very clear. The title is also very clear. I will design an outstanding YouTube thumbnail for your audience. And as you can see that he has a lot of orders and most of them has 5-star rated. So this is an example of very good gig, and the plans are very well structured as well. It's very well defined. The numbers of revisions and delivery time. So basically when you are uploading a gig, you need to focus 3 important things. The first thing is thumbnail, the second thing is the title, and the fourth thing is the pricing. Because as we have discussed previously that in Fiverr you will see a lot of freelancers from sub-Indian continent. So pricing matters a lot and they offer very cheap pricing. So these are the 3 things that you need to keep in your mind before uploading a gig. Also do thorough research about your competitors. So as in say we have to upload a gig about YouTube thumbnail designing. We can go to thumbnail designing category and we can see the pricing section, the thumbnail and the titles that they have used. We can use, as you can see, the thumbnail are pretty similar, and you can find a lot of examples of this kind in Google for free, or it's better to make your own thumbnail and use that in your gig. That will be much more effective for you. These are the 3 to 4 things that you need to make sure before uploading your profile. Now let's discuss about the 5 ways that you can use to earn money. The first one is remove background. So if you go here and see that, if you type remove background, you can see that there are 44,000 services available in this. So it means that people are using this service, and that's why you can see a lot of services here. Remove background, you can see the pricing is around 2,000 and the sales is already in 600, 200, 1,000, 100, 1,000, 1,000, 500. So there are people who are using these services. Let me show you a trick how you can use this even if you have no skill. You can just go to Google and simply search background, remove background, or I will mention this link in the description, and you can upload photo here. Let's take for example this one. You can run this, and this was the original image and this is the image that you get. You can simply go here and download this. So it's as simple as that. There are many websites for removing the background. Even for video you can search the clip. You can upload the clip here and this will remove the background and display the video to you. So this is a very good trick to earn money even if you have no skill. And as you can see that there is demand for this. So there is demand for this and you can use this trick. The second in the list is SEO report. Let me show you the demand for that as well. SEO report. So as you can see, there are 2,859 services available, and people are charging around 4,000, 1,000, 10,000, 5,000, 7,000, and there are and the demand is also high. As you can see, there are 986 reviews, 49, 930, 1,000, around 1,000, around 1,000. So there is demand for this section as well. Let me show you how you can do this without any skill. Again, you can simply go to Google and search SEO report, or I will mention the link in the description. So you will simply just type youtube.com. Now YouTube is a very big website. So it will take a bit of time. But you can search any website, any link through this, and you can get the whole report of the website. As you can see, even the ranking and the traffic, you can see the traffic is here. The loading time is here as well. The page size, all this kind of data you need for SEO report, and you can use this for your gig. There are also other platforms that you can use. So every website has limited number of usability, and for example, if this website has three free users, you can use other website to do the same stuff, and this all will give the same data. Now coming to the third point, third one is the list is design Html5 ads. Now when I say HTML5 ads are basically the ads that you run on different platforms. The size of the ads are different. So as you can see, the sizes are different and the demand is high as well. It's around 2,000 services available, and they're charging around 3,000, 4,000, 4,000, 8,000, 4,000, 3,000. So at a median, you can charge around 4,000 or 3,000. And let me show you a trick how you can do that. So you can go to Canva. And so let's say this is my design for the ad. I can just resize as per the requirement, as per the Instagram story, the Facebook cover, the Instagram story, newsletter, another kind of Facebook video, proposal, mobile video, all of this way, and I can just download this in various forms and give it to the client. So you can use this platform for that gig. Now coming towards the fifth point. The fifth point is basically reselling. So let's say there are two freelancing platforms. One you take Fiverr and the other one is Upwork. You upload a gig on Fiverr, you take projects, and then you give that project to someone else on Upwork. You can do the same thing on the same platform, but it's better to do both of the things on different platforms. One as a service provider or one as a freelancer, and you can use both of the platforms separately and earn money in between. Now let's say the price of the gig that you uploaded was $35 and you get a client of around $55. So you take the difference of $20, that is your profit in between. So that's a very good way to earn money as well. And now the fifth and the last one in the list is title. So if you search, I will brainstorm 5 attention grabbing book titles. So for titles, there is a lot of market here as well. As you can see here we have 2,855 services available, and they are charging around 1,000, 1,000, 2,000, 2,000, 1,500, 2,000, 47,000 as well. So this is different, but there are gigs who are asking for just to generate titles. So let me show you a trick how you can do that. You can just search on Google title generator to get this height. You can let's say there is a gig for cats, you need 200 for cats, confronting racial injustice in the cats industry, This all are the title for cats. Now, these are all different type of cats. Let's search for another topic. Let's search for another topic, that is YouTube. Everything you ever wanted to know about YouTube. These are all the titles that you can use for your blog or your YouTube video. There are also other platforms which you can use. Now, this Answer the Public is one other platform which will help you to generate more titles. For let's say example, in here, if you type YouTube, then this will give you a result of data that what are the people searching online and what are the titles that you can use for your gig based on the client's requirement. And the Socrates is also one of them. And you can use country filter as well, the language. And these are all different ways that you can use to earn money on Fiverr without skills. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel. We continue bringing this kind of content. And if you have anything to say, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to join our Discord server, which is a gig aggregator server, where we try to aggregate all the kind of gigs and profile links so that you can connect to them and get gigs and start your freelancing journey. I will hope you will use all this technique in your journey. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.